Chef Gail Sokol, and welcome to my kitchen. It's harvest time. It's fall. It's one of my most favorite times of year. The color of the leaves, the oranges and the reds. I love it. I'm even dressed like fall. I love it. Today we're making harvest ice cream sandwiches. So I have a video that makes these tremendous ginger date cookies, soft and chewy. And then I have the best pumpkin ice cream you will ever eat in your life in a video, and it's award-winning. And now we're gonna put them together. So I've made some cookies. I've made different sizes. I've made the nice medium size and then the gigundo size. So whatever you decide, you can do. But I like to take two of the same size cookies and put them together with my award-winning pumpkin ice cream. Now, it really is spectacular. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take one of these cookies. All right, just put it down. And I recommend wrapping these. You can put these on a sheet pan in the freezer or just wrap them. They're so beautiful. They look like fall. They just basically say, eat me, I'm a harvest ice cream sandwich. And the color's so beautiful together. So let me make one more. Let me make a big one. I'll make a big sucker. These are so good that you actually cannot eat them and talk at the same time. Because I have done that. I have tried eating one and talking at the same time. That's why I will not try one. Look at these babies. Look at these babies. Look at these babies. They're spectacular. Wrap them individually in plastic wrap or put them on a sheet pan and really quickly put them in the freezer, and they're like harvest in an ice cream sandwich. I guarantee you're gonna love them. I hope you become a subscriber. I hope you've enjoyed this video because I'm going to eat my big ice cream sandwich.